We're gonna go to and Camp Johnny and then chill. Yeah. Hopefully we don't spend a lot of money. Kasi I've been spending so much already. It's tiring. Yeah. We're gonna eat breakfast and I'll talk to you again later. Bye! Nalagpas. Anyways, welcome. We're here at Mount. Oh my gosh. Here's the one. Here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's freaking cold. Buti na lang ito yung sinuot ko talaga. I swear. Ay nako, oh my god. Sobrang smart idea na isuot ko tong to walk, but we ended up renting. Kasi malayo pa daw. So yeah, tignan natin kung gano'n kalayo. Kung walkable. Pero pag pababa daw, 30 minutes lang. So, cats! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Can you see? Nag-ano reflect. Anyways, nice terraces. So pretty. OMG, look at the view. It's so pretty. Tapos may fog pa. So cold. It's really so cold. Lamig sa tenga kaya Donya! Love it! We're here!
No, ma'am.
Ano ba? Bakit parang hindi nagpo-focus? Sityo. Actually, Renzi kasi ang daming tao nakakaloka. One, two, three, smile. Ha! Oh my god! 1, 2, 3, smile. Kami nag-enjoy mag-picture taking dito sa kanilang set. So amazing. Loves it. Here's the famous fat pig. After the show, he's gonna be Katay like the pig kanina. OMG. Look at that view. It's so pretty. Like me. Diba? I'm not really a mountain type of person, pero in fairness, it's pretty. Maganda umakyat sa taas ng mountain kapag may kotse. Kasi nakakapagod umakyat.
Pag may what?
Pag may kotse. Hirap umakyat eh, nakakahingal. Mahingalin ako. Oh gosh, look at that view. It's so pretty. Like me.
Yossi ka na lang ha.
Kita niyo ba? We're here at 50's Diner. I ordered Mama's Kid. He ordered spicy chicken. And you ordered...
Shrimp and steak.
What?
Shrimp and steak.
Ayun. In fairness, masarap yung price. I'm happy. Okay, kain muna kami. Bye! Hey guys, we're now here at Chocolate Baterol. Chocolate de Baterol. Pero lumaharang ka sa mga taong dumadaan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan yung pangalan. Tapos ang in-order naming lahat ay ang traditional blend.
That's the best seller.
Gastos! Ayan. So yan. Talk to you again later. Bye! Hey guys! The Chocolate Baterol traditional blend is here. And it's time to taste it. Let's try it.
It smells good.
As usual.
It smells like chocolate.
Yeah. Thank God. Smells like chocolate. Kahapon, it smelled like... Actually, wala smell. Parang... Basta, tikman natin.
Hindi mo kasi binasa yung description nun. The agua with water. Better.
May lasa. Loves it. Wow, can you believe it? I'm actually studying. This is actually a UP College of Law Reviewer, but I'm from Arellano.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Ano sa tayo?
Well, dito lang. 1, 2, 3, smiles. Eight times. Is it like super fat? Wag! Wag! Hindi siya masyadong colorful. Hey guys, we're saying goodbye to Camp Shanty! And we're off to the hotel. Tapos, punta na ako sa Victory Liner. I'm gonna go home tonight. And we'll see the deluxe bus later. Okay, bye!